Are you tired of those pesky windshield reflections on your dash cam? Today I'm gonna show you how to fix. This is a CPL filter that it's meant to work on this 70 May A800 or A800S. Let's open it up. Inside the box, after removing all these commercials, you will be able to find a small lens like this. If you look carefully at the lens, this is made out of two parts that rotate in place. So you can see I can hold one part of the lens like this and the other one I can rotate. This rotation is used for adjustment that I'm going to show you a little bit later. According to the manufacturer, this arrow should always be pointed outwards. Yeah. Now, in order to install it, it's pretty simple. You just have to take your camera, make it like this, push it in. There is no mechanism, it's just you just have to really fix it on like this. And once installed, make sure that this arrow points up. Alright, so after installing the lens on the camera and starting mounting the camera back in your car, this is how you should adjust it. Place a white piece of paper on your dashboard that will reflect in the windshield. Then while the camera is on, rotate the lens until you can make the paper disappear as much as possible. Now let's put it to a test. On the first set of images, you can see the car driving during day with and without the CPL filter installed. The images with the CPL filter installed have a corrected overexposure and the colors look a little bit nicer. Also, if you pay attention, the reflection within the windshield, it's almost gone. Yeah, so you don't see all those pesky reflections anymore. Let's switch to the night mode. In the night mode, things change a little bit. This time the CPL filter seems to make the image a little bit worse. Even if the contrast is the same, you can still see a lot of details when the car is stopped. While the car is moving, from my point of view, I can see that the image has gotten a little bit worse. Overall, is it worth having a CPL filter installed? Well, if you're using the camera for what it's intended for, that means recording of unpleasant events, maybe you can show the video as a proof in certain cases, yes, I consider the CPL filter will be more than enough. It will do its job without a problem. The impact is very high when you're driving the car in the day, while the night it will still be able to keep all the details intact. If you're mostly a driver that goes out with the car only during the night, I'm not sure that you will need this type of lens installed unless you have some special types of street lights. I've seen other videos where, due to this type of lights installed, the images from the camera were basically unusable. You would have a lot of lights cutting through the image on vertical from top to bottom, and the only solution to get rid of them and use the camera itself regardless of the model was to install a CPL filter. That's it for this review. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe.